Okay, go.
What's up, Jack Landers and Funko Flint? Today we are here doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Before we get started, that's my stepdad. The recording person is my mom.
Hi.
I'm the person who's going to be turned into the authorities.
I have 3 nominations. He's got to do it tomorrow, too. All of them. I can't reach his head. But I have 3 nominations. I nominate my mom, which is the cameraman.
No.
This Dave Johnson and Super Snake Lady. So they're going to have to do this within 24 hours, maybe.
Who challenged you?
My teachers.
At EK Pro?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
No, you can't look.
Okay, do I have your express permission that I can do this?
At any time from now on, you can do it.
As her guardian parent. Ah! Oh my God!
Oh,
You're abusing my child! You abused my child! You're a bad man! This is a
Some
bad
sort of
man.
sadistic pleasure in that.
Oh, that's so cool to my scalp.
This is a bad man. Police! Please come arrest this man.
maniacally.
There was ice in there too. Alright, well, that was the Jack Lanterns. Snake is probably going to record hers, so that'll be in the description if she uploads this by the time this is uploaded.
How long does she have?
I don't know.
24 hours.
Yeah, she has 24 hours. I'm freezing.
Let's go take a bath.
All right.
Look at my thing. Look at my shirt.
You're soaked, dude.
All right.
Okay, let's go inside.